in Nazi Germany, all mothers were not treated equally. Women who were He adopted two types of policies against women. The first policy, yes, in Nazi Germany, he adopted actually the two different policies. One policy for the women, those who bore racially undesirable children were punished, and those who produced racially desirable children were avoided. Means the punishment for rearing undesirable or giving birth to the undesirable children, and the other women, those who were producing the desirable children, all they were awarded. So how they were awarded? Those who were awarded or giving the birth to the desirable RN children, they were favored treatment in hospital and were also entitled to concessions in shops and theater tickets and railway fares. They were encouraged to produce many children. Honor crosses were awarded. When the honor crosses were awarded, when the three types of honor crosses were given. A bronze cross was given for producing or giving birth to the four children. Silver cross was given to those women, those who were giving birth to the six children, and the gold honor cross was given to the women, those who were giving birth to the eight or more than eight children. So these were the awards decided by Hitler for the women, those who were giving birth or producing desirable children. And what steps he adopted against the women, those who were uh, giving undesirable children, birth to the undesirable children, or going beyond the limits set for them. So all RN women who deviated from the prescribed code of conduct were publicly condemned and severely punished. Those who maintained contact with Jews, Poles, and Russians were paraded through the town with shaved heads. Means their procession was taken through the whole town with shaved heads. मतलब उनको गंजा कर दिया जाता था, उनके सारे बाल जो थे वो रिमूव कर दिए जाते थे. ब्लैक एंड फेसेस, उनके फेसेस को काला कर दिया जाता था. प्लैकार्ड्स, उनके गले में प्लैकार्ड्स डाल दिए जाते थे हैंगिंग अराउंड देयर नेक्स अनाउंसिंग what was written in those placards. I have sullied the honor of the nation. मैंने देश के जो ऑनर है, सम्मान है, उसको खत्म कर दिया है, सुलीड कर दिया है. ओके. मैनी रिसीव्ड जेल सेंटेंसेस, कुछ को जेल भेजा जाता था. एंड लॉस सिविक ऑनर, उनका जो सिविक ऑनर था वो उनसे वापस ले लिया जाता था. एज वेल एज देयर हस्बैंड्स एंड फैमिलीज फॉर दिस क्रिमिनल ऑफेंसेस. Sometimes this punishment was given to their husbands and other family members. Okay. And were charges with criminal offenses. उनके husbands को और other family members के ऊपर आपके criminal charges जो थे वो लगा दिए जाते थे. So this was the punishment decided by Hitler for those women, those who were giving birth to the undesirable children or making any contact with the uh, Jews, Poles, or not following the code of conduct prescribed for them. Now,